Hey guys, good to see you. I know I've been gone for a little while. Honestly, just because I've not had loads to film and I kind of wanted a break. When you're filming every Saturday and you don't really get a weekend to yourself or don't get a day to yourself, it becomes a little boring. So I just wanted some time. If anyone has any ideas of things that I could film as well, like any boxes you want to see or anything like that, not necessarily makeup because I know everyone's going to say makeup, but more like if you have any horror stuff that you'd want to see or something, then do let me know, because I feel like I don't have anything to buy lately. Unless it's Halloween time and it's like Halloween haul time, then everybody is here watching, but otherwise people don't really watch that much anymore. So please feel free to tell me what you want to see. But today anyway, I have the March Witch Casket box to show you. I do apologise, I know that this is quite late. I don't have April's yet, so it's not that late, but it's definitely a few weeks late. I've not opened it yet, I don't know what the theme is, anything like that. If you haven't seen me open this before, it is a UK box and it's £29 a month. They post it worldwide. I'll put all of the other prices that I know down below in case you want to have a look. But yeah, let's open this and see what March's box has. So, I feel like I like the colour scheme of this one. Seems to be black and purple, which are some of my favourites. And the theme is intentions. So this is our little booklet. It tells you about everything that comes in the box. I'm not going to read off that though because I'm going to show you, but if you do ever need information, that is where it will be. So intentions. And then right on the top we have our little mini art print for the month. So this one is giving spooky, honestly. Again, nice purpley colour. It's like a cauldron with smoke in the woods and the moons there and stuff. And if you don't want to use it as an art print, they also put this on the back. So it says monthly manifestations. What are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? And what magical steps can I take to reach these goals? So that is our print. Then we have our little spell kit for the month. Again, you pretty much always get a spell kit. And this one is a happiness simmer pot ritual kit. Contains all you need to raise the vibration of your home. So let's open this and have a see. Okay, so we have a slight problem with this one in that we have no instructions. We just have little pouches of herbs. So it says number 1, number 2, number 3. I have no idea what they are. And I don't actually know how to do the simmer pot ritual. I will quickly check in the book just in case, but I feel like that's not usually how it works. Usually you do have instructions. Okay, so it says that they're rose petals, orange peel and mint. So that is the 3 things that we have. Like I said, everybody else probably got instructions, so I can't hold those up for you this month, but that is our little spell anyway. Then next we have an intentions sealing wax set. It says use this sealing wax to seal charm bottles or envelopes, or use with a stamp to stamp your intentions into your work. You can even add herbs or embedded crystals into your wax to give your spells more power. Black is for banishing, letting go and protection. White is for purity, cleansing and all magical workings. Green is for abundance, good fortune and growth. And red is for passion, courage and strength. So I'm assuming that is the 4 colours that we have in here. Yep, so this is what they look like. They kind of look a bit like a birthday candle, honestly, but what you do is you light the end and you kind of hold it up and then the wax drips to do your sealing. So they are very pretty. They've all got little engravings in them. So that is our sealing wax set. Then next we have our little enamel pin for the month. This one is very, very pretty. It is a hand, kind of like a witchy hand with long nails, sort of reaching out to the moon. And it's very sparkly. I'm not sure if that's really going to show up very well on camera, but very, very pretty though. Just 1 pin on the back. Then next we have an Intentions wax seal stamp. So this obviously goes with the wax. It says use this enchanting So Mote It Be stamp with sealing wax to seal charm bottles or envelopes or to stamp your intentions into your work. Now I absolutely love a wax seal. I do it on a lot of cards, especially at like Christmas time and stuff. I pretty much stamp all of my envelopes with wax stamps. I love them. Everybody's always so impressed by it. So this one says So Mote It Be, and then it's got some little sparkles and moons and leaves and stuff. Again, I'm not 100% that's going to show up amazing, but hopefully you can see it enough. So it says So Mote It Be in the center, little sparkles, moon and leaves, like that. You melt your wax and then you just kind of plop that on the top. So that is very cute. Love a wax seal. Then next we have our crystal or gemstone for the month, and this one is a sodalite. So it looks like this, very dark blue, and it has some kind of whites and paler blues and stuff going through it. And for sodalite, it says it brings emotional balance, enhances self-acceptance and raises self-esteem. This magical stone can help you to overcome negative self-talk and encourage rational thought, clarity and communication, allowing you to set the firm intentions which are essential to magic. So that one sounds like a very nice one to have. Little sodalite tumbled stone. Then next, this I think is what was jingling at the start. So we have a little pouch. Again, it's got the same sort of hand on it that the pin had, in purple and some sparkles and stuff. And this is, what is this? So this is a set of two things. It says it is an Enchanting Intentions candle carving tool and an Enchanting Intentions spoon. So I will show you the tool first. It is very, very heavy. Like, this is just pure metal. And it looks like this. Very pretty. It's got all sort of like moons and filigree and stuff all over it. And then I'm assuming that this is kind of a sharper end. Kind of. It's not that sharp. It's sort of like a screwdriver sort of end. And it says, use this magical carving tool to etch sigils representing your intentions into candles before working your candle magic. Work mindfully and with intent. So this is for drawing things into candles. And then we have this spoon, which is a lighter silver sort of colour. It has a little moon down here on the spoon part. And then again, all filigree and stuff up the handle. And for this, it says, stir your intentions into recipes, potions and brews with this beautifully crafted stainless steel spoon, clockwise to invoke and counterclockwise to banish. So that was our little set of carving tool and spoon in this pouch. And then it seems like we have two bigger items left before our scroll and stuff. So we have a sigil plate with chalk. It says use the chalk to draw sigils or words relating to your intent and then use the slate for your spell work. For example, stand your candles on the slate to work candle magic or place your spell jar on the slate to amplify your intent. Okay, so let's have a see what we have. Okay, so it's just a little circle slate with some kind of like engravings on it, little moons, little stars, smoke and pentacles and stuff. And then on the back it has little foam pads so it doesn't scratch what it's on, and it just says which casket. It's kind of like a drink coaster, I guess, but it is like a plate to put candles or bottles and stuff on. And then we have a piece of wax down here so that you can draw on it as well. So that is our sigil plate with chalk. And then we have this one. This is a Witch's Willow Charm Kit, it says. Mindfully and with firm intentions, use the black twine to hang your bells, key and pentacle from your willow ring. As you add them, focus on the properties of each item. Willow is for strength, bells are for cleansing, pentacle is for protection, pentacle is for protection, key for unblocking and safety. If you wish to add additional charms or amulets to match your intentions, this is optional. Use the magic charm to complete and hang in your home. So maybe this is where the bell noise was coming from, possibly. I thought it was the spoon and stuff, but it could have been in here. Oh, this is really cute. Okay, so let me just get everything out and then I will show you. So this is the little willow ring, and then we have some black twine to go to wrap stuff around it. We have a little fancy looking black key, little metal key, a nice little black metal pentacle or pentagram. That would make a really cute necklace, honestly. I feel like I would love that on the necklace. And then we have 3 bells. I'm not going to unwrap all of them because they'll be the same, I'm sure, but just 3 little metal black bells like that. So basically you use your twine and you hang these bells and the key and the pentacle and everything on this, and then you hang it in your house, which is really cute. I actually really like that. And that was our Witch's Willow Charm Kit. And then last but not least, before our scroll, we have some incense. So these are sandalwood and frankincense, intentions incense. And it says, light the incense and affirm, my intentions are set as I light this fire, fragrant smoke carry my desire, as I speak this magical charm, grant my wish but cause no harm. So that is our incense. As always, I don't love them. I'm not an incense girl, unfortunately. They give me a massive headache, but I do love sandalwood though, so I thought they would smell nice, but they're not for me. So that is our incense. And then we have our little scroll, which I will hold up in case anyone wants to pause and read. This one again is magical intentions, and it says visualizing, incantations and journaling. So and yeah, that was everything in the March Witch Casket Intentions box. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had our little mini art print, the Happiness Simmer Pot Ritual Kit, little spell kit, the Intentions Sealing Wax Set with the 4 different waxes, our little sparkly enamel pin, the soda light, the little metal candle carving tool and spoon, the sigil plate with chalk, the incense sticks, the Witch's Willow Charm Kit, definitely my favourite thing in the box I would say, the little wax seal stamp and the scroll as well. So all of these items in the March Witch Casket box. I did quite like this one, honestly. I feel like it was full enough to be worth it for the money. The colour scheme was really cute. It was kind of a little spooky, the art print and stuff. I really love this little charm kit. I think the pentacle in this would make a really pretty necklace. And I love the wax seal stamp and stuff. So yeah, I quite enjoyed this box. You'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I've heard off, like, I think I got an email or something or on their Instagram that next month's box is supposed to be like the most expensive box they've ever done. So that is pretty exciting. Hopefully it is an amazing one. But yeah, I will put all of the information down below for them, like I said, in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.